Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the lace hatch stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the double crochet V-stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 5. I have already made 25 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Now make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. You're now going to make 3 double crochet into the same chain where you made your single crochet. We're now going to be starting our sequence. You're going to skip 3 chains. Into this next one, you're going to make a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then 3 double crochet into the same chain as this single crochet. So same thing, skip 3 chains, and into this next one, make that single crochet, chain 3, and then 3 double crochet into that same chain as the single crochet. Skip 3 chains into this next one, single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. Skip 3 chains into this next one, single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet into the same chain. Skip 3 chains into this next one, single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. We've run out of room on our row to skip some chains. So what we're going to do is skip to the last chain in this row, make a single crochet into that chain by itself to complete row 1. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 double crochet. Now we're going to skip to the first chain space, so it's going to be this chain 3 space over here. You're going to make a single crochet into that chain 3 space. Now we're going to be making a double crochet V stitch into a previous single crochet stitch. So you need to identify the single crochet stitch from our last row, which is going to be this stitch right here. So you can see this is 3 double crochet, some chains, a single crochet. Same here, 3 double chains, and that single crochet is right here. So into this single crochet, you're going to make a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet for a double crochet V-stitch. Now we're going to be repeating this from right here, this single crochet. You're going to jump to the next previous chain space, and into that space make a single crochet. Now into the next previous single crochet from our last row, you're going to make a double crochet V-stitch. Move to the next chain space and make a single crochet into that space. Into the next single crochet, make a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all into that same stitch together. Move to the next chain space, make a single crochet. Move to the next single crochet, make a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into that stitch. Move to the next chain space and make a single crochet into that chain space. Move to the next single crochet and make that double crochet V-stitch. Once you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 3 stitches and some chains left. Into those chains at the end of your row, you're going to skip the stitches and work into these chains. Make a single crochet, and then 2 double crochet into that space to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 3 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 double crochet. Now this is our hatch row like we made in row 1, that's single, chain 3, 3 doubles. So we're going to be working those into previous single crochet stitches. So our first single crochet stitch is right here. So into that stitch, you're going to make that single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet, all into that stitch together. Now you're going to skip over to your next single crochet, which is this stitch here, and make that same thing, single, chain 3, and 3 doubles into that stitch. Skip to the next one, single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet into that same stitch. Skip to this next one, single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet into that stitch together. Skip to the next one, single crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet into that same stitch. Skip to the next one, which is right here, single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet into that same stitch. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have a stitch and some chains left. Into that chain space, work 1 single crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. That is going to be how to make the lace hatch stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.